Hi students, in previous video I am already discussed 1, 2, 3 sums of exercise 9.3 of chapter tangents and secants to a circle. Okay, now I am discuss third sum of exercise 9.3. This is third sum. Listen, a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Okay, here use pi is equal to 22 by 7. So this is the length of the blade. The length of the blade, this is 25 centimeters. This is also 25 centimeters. Okay. Angle is also given. This is 115 degrees. This is 115 degrees. This is first wiper. This is second one. This is also 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters. Angle 115 degrees. These two are in the shape of sector. Okay. Listen. How to find the area cleaned by these two wipers? Okay. So first of all, you have to write what are the given. Given length of the blade is equal to 25 centimeters. Angle is equal to 115 degrees. 115 degrees. Okay. Now we have to find total area cleaned by two wipers. This is the area of sector. This is one sector, this is also another sector. So 2 into area of a sector. Okay, that's mean the total area cleaned by two wipers is the shape of sector. These two are shape of the sector. So 2 into area of sector. So what is the area of sector? The area of sector is x by 360 into pi r square. X is nothing but 115 degrees here. Okay. So 2 into x is equal to 115 by 360 into what is the pi value? 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Here radius is nothing but the length of the blade. So that is 25 into 25. Okay. Cancel these two. 5 2s 10. 5 3s 15. Next, here 5 7s 35. 1 is left 10. 5 2s 10. 5 72s 360. Here cancel with 2. 2 1s are 2 36. 2 36 are. Multiply these two, 23 and 22. 23 and 22 how much? 23 and 22. Okay. So 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 6 10 5 okay. Okay, here 23 into 22 is 506 is there. So 506 into here 25 into 25 625 by 36 into 7. 36 into 7. Here cancel with 2 these two. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s 2 3 6. 2 18s are. That is So here 253 into 625 by 18 into 7. 18 sevens are 253 into 625 by 18 sevens are 18 sevens, 7 eights are 56, 5 7 1 7 126, that is. So now have to multiply 253 into 625. 253 into 625, how to multiply with first 5. 5 threes are 15, 1, 5 fives are 25 plus 1, 26, 2, 5 twos are 10 plus 2, 12. Next you have to multiply with 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10, 1, 2 twos 4, 5. Okay. Next you have to multiply with 6, 6 threes are 18, 1, 6 fives 30 plus 1, 31, 3, 6 twos 12 plus 3, 15. Then you had 5, 12, 2, 1 carrying, 11, 1, 8, 15. Okay. So 1,58,125. That is 1,58,125 by 126. Now we have to divide with 126. 126. Okay. 126 ones. 126 ones are 126. The remainder is 8 minus 2 is 8 minus 6 is 2. Here 5 minus 3 is 5 minus 2 is 3. I have to take 1, 321, 2s. 2s are 2, 6, 12, 1, 2, 2s, 4, 5, 2 ones are 2, 252. 1 minus 2 not possible, take borrow, 11, 11 minus 2 is 9. Here 1 is left, 11, 11 minus 5, 6. Okay. Next I have to take 2, 692. Next 126 5s are 126 5s, 5 6 33, 5 2s 10 plus 3 13, 1, 5 1s 5 plus 1 6, 630. 126 5s are 630. The remainder is 262. Next I have to take 5, 625, 4s are. Okay. 126 5s are 630, that is 4s. 126 4s. 4 6 are 24, 2, 4 2s are 8, plus 2 10, 1, 4 1s 4, 5, 504, 1, 2, 1. Okay. There is no digits, have to take a decimal point, take 0 here. Okay. So 126 9s are. Okay. 9 6 30, 9 6 54, 4, 5 is carrying. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 5, 23, 2, 9 1s are 9, plus 2, 11. Here 0 minus 4 not possible, take borrow, 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 10 minus 3 is 7, that is 76 is the remainder. Again have to take 0. Okay. Next 6s are 126 6s are 6 6 36, 3, 6 2s are 12 plus 2 15, 1, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7, that is the remainder is 4. Okay. Enough that one. So that is answer is 1254.96 centimeter square. Okay. This is the total area cleaned by 2 wipers. 2 wipers is equal to 154.96 centimeter square. Okay. The third sum is completed. Now I am going to fourth sum. The fourth sum is find the area of shaded region in figure where ABCD is a square, the side of 10 centimeters and semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. Okay, this is side of a square as well as the diameter of a semicircle. Okay, so first of all have to write what are the given side of a square. Side of a square is equal to 10 centimeters. That is also diameter. Diameter of semicircle. Semicircle that is also 10 centimeters. What is the radius? The radius of the semicircle five centimeters. Okay, so now I have to look at the unshaded region as 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Okay, let us mark unshaded regions has 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, how to find the area of shaded region? First you have to find area of unshaded region. First you have to find 1 and the area of unshaded region of 1 and 3. Area of unshaded regions. 1 plus 3. So how to find the area of unshaded region 1 and 3? The area of a square minus the area of two semicircles. This is these two semicircles. Okay, then we get area of unshaded region 1 and 3. Okay, now how to find the area of a square? Area of a square minus 2 into area of semicircles. Area of two semicircles. Sorry, area of semicircle. Area of semicircle. Area of a square, that is 2 into, in this one 2 semicircles are there, so 2 into area of semicircle. So area of a square is side into side minus 2 into area of a semicircle pi r square by 2. Area of a circle is pi r square, area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. Here 2 cancel, that is the side of a square is 10 centimeters. 10 into 10 minus, what is the pi value? 3.14. The radius is 5. The radius of semicircle is 5 centimeters. That is 5 into 5. Okay, so here 10 into 10 is 100 minus 3.14 into 5 is 25. Okay, that is equal to 100 minus 25 into 3.14. 25 fours are 100. 0, 10 is carrying. 25 ones are 25 plus 10, 35, 5, 3 is the carrying. So 25 3s are 75 plus 3, 78. So 78.50. 78.50. Now we have to subtract from 100 78.50. Here 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible, take borrowed 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Here 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 21.50 centimeter square. 21.50. Okay. Next you have, this is The area of unshaded region 1 and 3. Now we have to find out 2 and 4. Area similarly, area of unshaded regions 2 plus 4 is also 21.50 centimeter square. Okay, these two areas are equal. The area of unshaded region 2 and 4 also 21.50. Next we have to find area of shaded region. Now we have to find out area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to, listen, area of a square minus area of unshaded regions. Area of total unshaded region, then we get area of a shaded region. Okay, so area of a square minus area of total unshaded region. Total unshaded regions. So that is area of a square is 10 into 10 minus area of total unshaded region. This is two parts, 2 into 21.50. 21.50. The first part is 1 and 3. Second part is 2 and 4. So 2 into 21.50. So here 100 minus 2 into 21.50, 2 zeros 0, 2 5s 10, 1 carrying, 2 1s 2, plus 1, 3, 2 2s are 4, 43 centimeter square. So 100 minus 43, 100 minus 43 is 57 centimeter square. That is, so area of shaded region is equal to 57 centimeter square. That is fourth sum. This is most important sum regarding public exam. Okay, thank you children. Next I will continue next video remaining sums of exercise 9.3.